So on my channel, I know you guys have seen this case before. This is the technically red Andar Aspen. But today we're going to be looking at the technically red Andar Capsule. Now the Aspen is the case obviously for the phones, but the Capsule is for the AirPods. Now this does come for pretty much every generation of AirPods. I have the AirPods Pro 2nd gen, so that's what we're going to be looking at. So let's set off the phone and the case to the side. Now on the top it does say Andar the Capsule, full grain leather AirPods Pro 2nd generation case. Flipping it off to the back, same stuff right there, made for Apple AirPods Pro 2nd gen and works with wireless charging accessories. So nothing too crazy with the packaging here, really nice clean packaging as always from Andar. So to open it up right here, there's just this little pull tab. We're gonna go ahead and pull this up and we're gonna take the case out of here. Now nothing else here in the packaging, so let's set that off to the side. And let's take a look around the case itself. Now looking at the front, you do get that Andar branding right there, and you are gonna get that nice full grain leather going all the way around the case, which is awesome. Now before we put the AirPods in there, let's go ahead and bring our scale over here, and we'll just take out this little styrofoam insert right there, set that off to the side, and we'll weigh exactly the case itself. So we do have our scale in grams, and I guess it doesn't really matter if it's together or not, but let's put that on. We're looking at 19 total grams. So very, very light case. You're barely even gonna feel this on your AirPods, but it's gonna offer you that nice protection as well as that really nice leather look. Now, of course, red is one of my favorite colors, so I'm really excited to put this on. So taking a look at the inside of the case, you do get this nice felt lining that goes all the way around and here as well. Now, it does have a little sticker that says peel before using. That's gonna help this just kind of stay on and not come off when you open and close the AirPods. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take our AirPods bottom. We'll slap that in here. Very nice tight fit, by the way. Like if you want to take this off, you got to really kind of force it off of the case because it's on there very tightly, so you don't have to worry about this. Even if you drop it, whatever happens, you don't have to worry about that coming off. So taking that off and putting on this top piece, let's go ahead and peel this off before using. All right, there we go. We'll get that off, set that off to the side. And what you're gonna do is you're just going to place this on top like this. Give that a nice little clamp down, you know, and here we have it. So taking a look around, like I said, on the front, you get that Andar branding and you do have a cutout for the LED. If you open it up, you can see the LED shining in through there. We'll watch as that goes away. There we go. And like I said, open it up, there's that LED. So you can see your charging LED right there, as well as everything else that LED shows. Now starting off on the top, it is completely closed in, as well as that left side. On the bottom, you have a nice wide open port and your speaker holes. And on the right-hand side, you do get that cutout for that lanyard loop in the AirPods. So pretty much it with that. And let's test it out. So they do say that it is capable with wireless charging. I'm curious to see if it'll work with MagSafe. Now, I didn't see any MagSafe magnets built into this, so let's see how well it will work, and we'll test it out live here. So we're going to take our Anchor 623 and plug that in, make sure that's turned on. All right, and first and foremost, let's just test wireless charging first. So that's going to turn off the LED at the bottom. We'll set these on top, and if you can see that orange light lit up, it's charging, as well as that bottom. Let me show you guys, that way you can actually see it. Give that a second. You set that on. There we go. It lit up. It is charging. Now, does it work with MagSafe? And let's see. I can feel it trying to connect a little bit, but unfortunately, it doesn't have those MagSafe magnets built in, so it's not going to stick onto your MagSafe charger. But if you're not somebody who charges with MagSafe too much, that's not going to be the biggest deal in the world. This is going to be there to protect you, you know, from drops or anything like that with your AirPods. And it looks really good with the Aspen in the technically red color. I mean, look at that combination. That thing is beautiful. And also, we do have another brand new color from Andar. This is the new turquoise color. Now this is absolutely beautiful. It looks great with the black titanium 15 Pro Max, and it'll look great with any of the other colors of the iPhones. Now this is a limited edition run. Currently it's sold out on Andar's website, but it may come back. So if you guys really do like this, let me know and I'll try to let Andar know, and maybe they'll be able to bring this back for us if you guys love this turquoise color. But this looks really good with that technically red Capsule. They look great together. That nice turquoise blue and that red. those look really good together. This might be a nice combo that I run for a little while right here, because this turquoise color really caught my eye. And a huge thank you to Andar for sending all this stuff out to me to review for you guys, by the way. But this is beautiful, and I'm really loving this new Aspen. So if you guys are interested in this turquoise color, let me know down below, and I'll be sure to leave a link down to the Aspen as well as the Capsule in the description. And you can use the code Brian15, which I'll leave that up here as well. Use code Brian15 to save 15% off of your order at Andar. So anyways, back to the Capsule. We do have everything that you pretty much need with this case for your AirPods, except for that MagSafe. I do wish we could get that MagSafe built into here so it'll connect. I'm a big MagSafe user, but you know, with my AirPods, I can always just put it on like a charger like this. For example, if I have my phone charging here, I can set the AirPods down back here and it'll be fine with no issues. So it's not the biggest deal in the world for me for an AirPods case that doesn't have MagSafe. I do need MagSafe for any iPhone case, absolutely, but for AirPods, it's not the biggest deal in the world. So let's talk about the price on this. The price is $35, and it's gonna come in a bunch of those different colors, just like the Aspen does. So as we know, the Aspen comes in this turquoise blue, it comes in that technically red that you guys saw right here, it does come in a jet black color, and it's gonna come in a bunch of other different colors. So the colors for both of them are gonna be technically red, camel tan, brown, so the camel tan is obviously like a tan color. It's going to be brown, jet black, navy, which is a dark blue color, a stone gray, which is like a medium gray, a sand, which is a very light brown, a merlot, which is like a wine kind of color, and a moss, which is a dark green. Now, moss would also look really good with this turquoise color right here. I think those would be a great combination. But either way, 35 bucks on the Andar Capsule. Definitely go out and pick one of these up. $35 for a great full grain leather case. You can't beat that. So let me know what you guys think about these down in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you're interested in a full review on the Aspen, I'll leave that right there.